Hey, Emily, I've been meaning to ask you something. Your English is really good. Did you study abroad or something?
Haha, thank you. No, I never went to school for English. Actually, I learned it all by myself, at home.
Wait, what? Seriously? That's amazing. So, how did you do it? I mean, your pronunciation and vocabulary are so natural.
It wasn't magic, trust me. It took time, effort, and a lot of daily practice. But it's totally possible. Anyone can do it.
Okay, now I'm seriously curious. Tell me everything. Step by step, I really want to improve too.
Alright, I'll start from the beginning. First, I made English a part of my daily life, every single day.
What do you mean by that?
I changed the language on my phone to English. I started watching English shows with subtitles. At first, I didn't understand much, but I didn't give up.
That sounds smart. What shows did you watch?
Mostly sitcoms and easy to follow dramas. Friends, The Office, Stranger Things. I would pause, repeat, and mimic the lines.
Ah, so you were shadowing them.
Exactly. Shadowing is a great technique. I would repeat after the actors. I didn't care if I made mistakes. I just kept speaking.
Interesting. But what about grammar and vocabulary?
I improved my grammar by watching short English videos and using language learning apps on my phone.
YouTube helped you that much?
A lot. And I had a notebook where I wrote down new words and phrases. I even made sentences with them. Like every day, I used 5 new words in real sentences.
Wow, you were super dedicated.
Haha, I was obsessed. But it was fun. I also joined English speaking groups online, like on Telegram and Facebook.
So you chatted with strangers?
Yes, and sometimes we even did voice calls. That was the scariest part, but it helped a lot.
You're so brave. I get nervous just thinking about talking in English.
Everyone feels that way at first. The key is to not worry about being perfect. Just speak. Mistakes are part of learning.
That's true. So did you ever feel like giving up?
Oh, yes, many times. But then I reminded myself why I started. I wanted to work in an international company, and now I do.
That's so inspiring. So you never went to an English coaching center?
Nope, not once. I used podcasts while walking, repeated dialogues from movies, wrote a daily English diary, all from home.
A diary? That's a good idea.
Yes, I wrote about my day, my thoughts, anything. It helped with writing and thinking in English.
So your whole world became English, right?
Exactly. I made English my environment.
That's powerful. Okay, I want to try this too. Can you help me make a plan?
Of course, let's break it down.
I'm ready. Tell me.
Step 1, watch English content daily. Start with subtitles, repeat lines.
Check.
Step 2, use the shadowing technique. Speak along with the characters.
Got it.
Step 3, keep a vocabulary notebook. Write 5 new words daily and make sentences.
I can do that.
Step 4, join online English groups. Text, voice chat, practice.
Okay, scary, but I'll try.
Step 5, write a diary in English, even if it's just a few lines.
Perfect.
And finally, be consistent. Even 30 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Thank you so much, Emily. This really gives me hope.
You're welcome. Just remember, progress is progress, no matter how small.
Yeah, I'm going to start today. Actually, right now. Can I try speaking in English with you?
Of course, let's have a mini conversation. Talk about your day.
Okay. Today I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to the market.
Great start. Just one small correction. Today I woke up at 7. Past tense.
Ah, yes, I woke up. Thanks.
Keep going.
Then I met my friend. We play cricket. Oh, wait, played.
Yes, you're catching on fast.
Thanks, Emily. You're a great teacher.
I'm just your friend who wants to see you grow. And remember, practice makes progress.
This coffee shop is now our English school.
Yes, class in session. Let's meet every day and speak only in English.
Deal. And someday we'll make a video called How We Learned English Without Going to School.
I love that. And will help others believe they can do it too.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to learning, growing, and never giving up.
By the way, do you think it's okay to make mistakes while speaking?
Absolutely. In fact, mistakes are your best teachers. Every time I made a mistake, I learned something new.
That makes me feel better. Sometimes I just freeze.
When that happens, take a deep breath, smile, and keep going. Even native speakers make mistakes.
You're right. Do you still practice now?
Yes, I still watch videos, listen to podcasts, and read English books. It never ends. Learning is a journey.
Do you have a favorite English book?
Yes, I love The Alchemist. It's simple and powerful. I read it twice, once with a dictionary and once without.
Wow, I'll try that too.
Start small. Even children's books are great. They help you understand grammar and storytelling.
And what about speaking fluently?
Fluency comes from practice. Speak every day, think in English, talk to yourself in English. Even if you're alone,
Talk to myself? That sounds funny.
I do it all the time. Like, Emily, it's time to eat. Emily, don't forget your keys. It helps a lot.
Haha. That's brilliant. I'll try that too.
We can even record ourselves and listen to improve.
Oh, yes, then we can fix pronunciation mistakes.
Exactly. Also, learn phrases, not just words.
What do you mean?
Instead of learning important, learn it's important to. That way, you can use it right away.
That's clever. Learn in chunks.
Yes, like, can I help you? I'm looking for, how can I get to? These are useful.
Wow, so many tricks.
That's the spirit. Let's create a 7-day challenge. We both follow it.
Yes! Let's write it now.
Day 1, watch an English episode with subtitles. Shadow 10 lines. Day 2, learn 5 phrases. Use them in a voice recording. Day 3, write a 100-word diary entry. Day 4, talk to someone in English even for 2 minutes. Day 5, read a short story or article. Underline new words. Day 6, record a 2-minute story about your day. Day 7, review and repeat. Reward yourself.
This is perfect. Let's do it.
Let's meet again next week and see our progress.
I can't wait. Thanks, Emily. This talk changed everything for me.
Same here. Talking about learning always reminds me how far we've come.
Here's to our English journey.
Let's keep walking it one step at a time.